All right, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about, I'll peek on it in an hour, but it's probably gonna take an hour and 15 minutes with it covered. And then we uncover it and let it brown. Okay, it's been an hour and 15 minutes. And that looks about right. What you're looking for is around the edges for it to start to brown up. Now I'll come back in 10 minutes and check again. All right, that's been 8 minutes and that's enough. So I'll shut the oven off. I'll let it sit in there with the oven crack like this, about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll cut it up. All right, so we're just cutting this up. It just came out of the oven. It sat in there for 10 or 15 minutes to cool down and for all the liquid to go back into the cabbage. But you just cut it with a roller. Then you make sure the cuts are complete as you can, because you really don't want it falling apart when you go to scoop it out and put it on a plate. And that has happened many times. Then you go around it like this. There. I'm only going to cut it in quarters, because generally speaking we eat a quarter each. Then you just pick a quarter, kind of go underneath it, grab it like that, and set her down. And that's what it looks like. Comes out really good. It's a really tasty way to get pizza without having all the flour and gluten and glycemic load and glycemic spike in your blood. This is for Hap Around House. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button.